Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tutorial Race. So in this video today, I'm going to show you all how you can create 3D reflected text. So without time, let's start the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm opening Canva, and over here, as you can see, there's an option customize size. You have to customize the size like I'm in YouTube thumbnail size. Okay, so you have to click on create new design. After that, you will get elements option of there. You have to click on that. Then you have to search, choose bottle, or else whatever you want you can choose directly. Okay, whatever you want, or else you can download also if you want it. So let's go to graphic, else photo. So whatever you want you can choose from here directly. Let's find out which is better. Right? So you have to go to graphic. Actually, I guess just find out number. Then this one is better one actually. So we are going to choose this one. Resize this one. Size. You have to choose background over here at first, like this one or else this one. I'm going to choose this one. Okay? So after that, you have to click on edit, shadow with this blur amount, increase the size like this. Okay? So now you have to once again go to elements and you have to search over here shadow. Okay, so I'm going to click on shadow. There's a graphic. You have to click on this graphic, or else you can click on the see all. Okay, so I'm going to click on the see all. After that, there's a lot of shadow. Whatever shadow you want, you can edit. So I'm going to choose this one. Press this one. Choose this one. Okay, for an example. So you have to resize this one and tell smaller. You have to create over here like this, and you have to right click and there's option there. So send backward. That means it will go backward. Okay? Right? As you can see over here. So now what we have to do, we have to click on this. There's option duplicate. We have to click on this. Okay? Now there's option flip. We have to click on flip vertical so that we can click this as you can see. Right? Size this one like this, and as you can see, it is almost completed over the process. But now you have to click on this once again. So it's size, yeah, like this. Alright. So you have to click on this and you have to transparent. Like transparent. This just like I'm choose this one. Actually, this is not looking fair, so I'm going to back this one a little again. So we're going to choose this one over here like this. Alright, it is looking a little Okay, as you can see now what we have to do, we have to write over here. Like if you want to write, then only we can write, or else if you don't have to write. I'm going to write over here. I'm going to select them. So now I want to change this one or this one, whatever you want, you can choose one from easily. So let's see which one is better. Right? Actually, this one is better. So here, like this over here, transparency over here, and we are going to change color of these. Like, which is going to switch. But like this way, you will not be able to change color. So you have to click on this. Just so you can change whatever color you want, you can choose from. So this is the way actually. You can choose shadows. This is spelling mistake. Actually, this reflect lemon. Felicity. I hope you all have understand the process how to do this. So please subscribe our channel.